Hi guys, I thought I could paint on Pantone cards for this video because this has been a trend recently, and also these Pantone card little paintings are like really adorable. So if for those who don't know what Pantone color cards are, Pantone is a standard color matching system where a code number is used to identify each color, and basically it's the standard language for colors and it is used as a reference. So every color code stands for a specific shade, and so you can see this picture. I've chosen this picture of candies, and it was really fun to paint it. So here's like a small time-lapse video of it, and you can see the picture I've chosen. The background has this dusty hot pink color, and its shade is 7423C. So you can just punch in the number in the Google and you'll get the same color, the exact same color. So that's how easy it is to match colors. Yeah, so I've done this digitally, but you could buy your Pantone cards on Amazon and Etsy, I guess. So here with my candy, and I know my voice is a little rusty because I had like sore throat. Don't worry, it was not COVID, and I'm fine. And thank you. And yeah, mm, you can see that my Pantone card is done here, the candy one. It was absolute fun to paint this. I mean, I just love how sweet it looks. And for the second painting, I have like a little house. It's not a house actually, it's just a wall. Coming up. Okay, I still have to do the shadows on this one. So that's done. Now I'm starting with my little wall. I loved this orange wall. It's so brilliant. The color is just so bright. It's like, and then this was like an old wall, so I wanted to be rusty, and so I filled in with more colors. And there's the door, the green door, and there will be a vine with leaves. This is like a tiger orange, is it? What do you call it? And yeah, I'm done with my door there. Yeah. Actually, I forgot to paint the handle on the door, the latch, but I guess that's okay. I mean, what kind of a door is that without a handle or a latch? But I've already, finished everything, and I can't go back now, so I guess that's okay. So coming to the wine, sort of a creeper, is it? It's been a long time since I've studied my botany, so adding my leaves, and filling it in with greens. Adding the final touches now, and I'm just done there. Oh yeah, the color shade is 3564C for this bright orange. So do let me know guys if you're going to try this. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.